In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get out of game in your PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about the two main ways to exit a game on your PlayStation 5. For the first one, all that you have to do is use the control center. So press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller. This is going to bring up the control center, where you can see a bunch of options. All that you have to do now is navigate to the switcher option and select it. Now there is going to be a list of recently used games and applications. Find the specific game that you want to close or exit out of and highlight it. Now press the Options button, which is the button with three horizontal lines on your controller, and choose Close Game. Now the exit will be done and the game will be closed out completely. The secondary method that I mentioned is using the home screen. So briefly tap the PlayStation button on your controller. This will bring up the quick menu instead. Navigate to the specific game that you wish to close and highlight it. Now press the Options button once more on your controller and choose Close Game. Both methods will completely close the game and take you back to the PlayStation 5 home screen. So make sure that you want to close out of the game completely and that you always save your files and your progress before exiting. As long as you do this process through the quick menu or the control center, you will be able to close down any games or applications that aren't being used. This will help you free up memory and make sure that your PlayStation 5 doesn't have a lot of apps and games running on the background, clogging it up. So do this periodically, and it's also recommended that you restart your PlayStation 5. That would also work to close down any games, because as soon as you completely shut down or restart your PlayStation 5, they will also be closed. I hope I was able to help you on how to get out of game in PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.